Good morning children, welcome back to KGP online classes. In previous class, we have studied about singular noun and plural noun. So what is singular noun? A noun that names one person, animal, place or thing is called a singular noun. And what is plural noun? A noun that names more than one person, place, animal or thing is called a plural noun. And we have studied about where we have to put es and single s. Now let's continue with the remaining part of our chapter. There are some nouns that ending in y and preceded by a consonant. Preceded means before. To make their plurals by changing y into ies. So here are some examples where we have to put ies. Let's take an example: baby, babies. So in place of y, what we had put? IES. But we have to check also, before y there is a consonant sound. So B is a consonant. Diary, diaries. Lady, ladies. So in place of y, what we had put? IES. And we also have to check, before y there is a consonant sound. Now let's take more examples. Fly, flies. City, cities. Country, countries. Story, stories. Army, armies. As you can see here, in place of y, what we had put? IES. With every word, what we had put? IES. If we have to convert in plural form, so what we have to put in place of y? IES. And we have to check also, before y, there is a consonant. So before y, L is a consonant. In city, T is a consonant. In country, R is a consonant. In story, again R is a consonant. In army, M is a consonant. Now let's move to another topic. Some nouns that end with y and preceded by a vowels form their plurals by adding s. There are some nouns that end with y and preceded by a vowels. You know what are vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. And rest are others, they are consonants. Let's take an example. Boy, boys. So here what we had put with y? Single s. So what we had put with y? Single s. And before y there is vowel. So O is a vowel. Toy, toys. Monkey, monkeys. So before y it is E is a vowel. So if there is a vowel before y, so we have to put single s. Monkey, monkeys. Now let's take more examples. Ray, rays. Holiday, holidays. Valley, valleys. Donkey, donkeys. Way, ways. As you can see here, before y there is vowel. A is a vowel in ray, holiday. A is a vowel in valley. E is a vowel in donkey. Before y is a vowel. In way, A is a vowel. If there is a vowel letter is there in the word before y, so we have to put single s. And if there is a consonant before y, so we will put IES in place of y. Now let's move to another topic. Some nouns end in f or fe form their plurals by changing f or fe into VES. So what we have to do? In place of f or fe, we have to put VES. Now let's take an example. Leaf, leaves. If we have to convert singular into plural form, in place of f, what we have to put? VES. Leaf, leaves. Knife, knives. In place of fe, what we had put here? VES. Knife, knives. Loaf, loaves. In place of f, what we had put? VES. Now, there are few words which do not follow the rule of VES. Now, let's take an example. Chef, chefs. As you can see here, there are some exceptional words where we have to put single s with f. We are not putting here VES. We are only putting single s. We are only adding single s. Chef, chefs. Drop, drops. roof, roofs. Now let's move to another topic. There are some nouns have the same form in singular and plural. It means there are some words which do not change in plural form. Let's take an example. She, sheep. Dear, dear. There are some exceptional words which do not change in plural form. There are some nouns that do not follow any rule. Let's take an example. Child, children. In plural form, we will write children. Food, feed. In place of double O, what we had put? Double E. Goose, geese. In place of double O, what we had put? Double E. Let's take more examples. Mouse, mice. Gentleman, gentleman. In place of A, what we had put? E. Man, man. In place of A, what we had put? E. Tooth, teeth. In place of double O, what we had put? Double E. Ox, oxen. With X, what we had put? EN. Now, let's take a quick recap. So, what is singular noun? A noun that names one person, animal, place or thing is called a singular noun. And what is plural noun? A noun that names more than one person, animal, place or thing is called a plural noun. So in this class, we have studied about where we have to put ES, single S, IES, VES, and there are some nouns which do not change in plural form. And there are some nouns which completely change in plural form. I hope you understand this chapter. If you have any doubts related to this chapter, you can send me a message. Thank you.